Alright, so to cut this pocket, go up here under two-dimensional pocket. I'm going to go to Tool. I'm going to select a smaller tool first. So over here in Buckner's Tools, tool number 1, for doing all the cleanup detail. And select, I want to do this pocket, and that pocket, and go over here to Rest Machining. Click on the Rest Machining. The tool diameter is going to be 0.25. That's what we're going to use to do a lot of the cleanup, which means the radius is going to be 0.125. And hit OK. And then it's going to generate the toolpath just to clean up the corners. And then the next step would be to go up to the 2D pocket, and this time select the 1/4 inch flat end mill. Select the same pockets, and then just go down and make sure it removes everything. That should be it.